Does saving your spare change really make a difference for your financial future? That's a question a lot of us ask, especially when the world of investing feels too complicated or too expensive. We've been taught to keep our banking and our investing separate, but what if there was an app that brought them together, turning your everyday saving habits directly into long-term investments? That's exactly what Stash is designed to do. It's a financial platform built on the idea that everyone, especially beginners, can and should be an investor, and it achieves this by seamlessly merging saving and investing into one simple experience. So, how do they pull it off? It all starts with the connection between your banking and your investment accounts, which are all housed within the Stash app. The first key feature is the stockback card. This is a debit card you use for everyday purchases. But instead of earning generic cash back or points, you earn pieces of stock from well-known companies. Buy groceries? You get a fraction of stock in that store. Use it for streaming? You get stock in that service. It transforms your spending from a purely outgoing cost into a constant, small investment. The second feature is roundup investing. Just like the name implies, every time you use your debit card, Stash automatically rounds up your purchase to the nearest dollar and sweeps that change into your investment account. You might not miss 50 cents, but over time, those roundups quietly add up to a significant investment. This automates the saving process and makes you an investor without you even having to think about it. These features are crucial because they solve two of the biggest hurdles for new investors, not having enough money and not knowing where to start. Stash breaks down the barrier of high-cost shares using fractional shares, allowing you to invest in a piece of an expensive stock for as little as a few cents. And for those who need guidance, Stash offers both self-directed portfolios where you pick your own investments, and a smart portfolio, which is a robo-advisor that builds and manages a diversified portfolio for you based on your risk tolerance. By integrating everyday saving tools, like the stockback card and roundups, directly with approachable, low-cost investing, Stash proves that you don't need a huge lump sum or a finance degree to start building wealth. You just need to change your habits and let the technology do the heavy lifting. The result is a single ecosystem where every financial decision, from buying coffee to paying a bill, has the potential to contribute to your long-term investment growth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.